In this video, we're going to be tearing down the 450. It will be coming all the way apart so we can get it clean and prepped for next year. We got a bunch of new stuff for it. If you guys don't know what stuff I'm talking about, you guys can go watch the previous video. We are going to start tearing this thing apart, but before we do, we're going to pull it outside in the sunlight and get a couple clips of it so we can remember the amazing season we had in 2022 with this bike.
Bill truck.
What the heck?
We get it almost every night, and now the moon gets so big and bright. We get it almost every night, and now the moon gets so big and bright. We get it almost every night, and now the moon gets so big and bright. We get it almost every night, and now the moon gets so big and bright. We get it dancing in the moonlight. Everybody feel like all that night. It's such a fine and natural sight. Everybody dancing in the moonlight.
Well, guys, we are done taking the clips of the bike and we're about to start tearing it apart. We're gonna The bike is all torn apart now. We got the forks over here, the front wheel, frame. The triple trees are still going to come off, but I will not do that until later. We got the swing arm, rear shock, most of the rear parts of the bike, gas tank, exhaust. Handlebars are right there. Got the carburetor, the engine, and then most of the plastics and these radiators. So that is going to do it for this video. I want to thank you guys for watching this far, and in the next video we will be putting these new parts on the bike, so stay tuned for that, and I'll catch you guys next time.